To my prospective employer, good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Jessie Raimundo, 53 years old. I married. I have two sons, 18 and 28 years old. So before here in Hong Kong, I have been working in Kuwait for 3 years. My main duty there is housekeeping, marketing, and sometimes taking care of the elderly. Me, I am honest, trustworthy, can work without any supervision. So now I'm here in Hong Kong. In my current employer, I'm work here with them 5 years, but they never renew me because of the financial problem. So that's why I need to find another employer. So I prepared for work, taking care also for the kids, because now I'm taking care for the I'm taking care of the twins, picking up the school and brought them also. Then also housekeeping, marketing, something like that. So I hope I can find another employer because my contract almost finished this April 22. My current employer never renew me because of the financial problem. So that's why they release me. So I hope I can find here. I prepared also for work, for taking care of the kids and also housekeeping, like that. I also work. I would also work for if have co-worker, also like that. So I hope I can find a good employer. Thank you, mom and sir. God bless and bye. To my prospective employer, good morning, mom and sir. I am Jessie Raimundo, 53 years old, married, have two sons, 18 and 28 years old. So before I work here in Hong Kong, I have been working in Kuwait for 3 years. My main duty there is housekeeping, marketing, sometimes taking care of the elderly. So me, I am honest, trustworthy, can work without any supervision. So now here in Hong Kong, I'm working in my current employer for 5 years. My main duty is taking care of the twins, picking up and brought to the school, something like that. Then housekeeping also, marketing, something like that. And then but my employer never renew me because of their financial problem. That's why they release me. So that's why I want to find another employer. The same work also. I can taking care of the kids, but I prepared now to taking care of the kids. I hope 10 years old up. That's what I like. Then I can also work if have co-workers. I like also. So I hope I can find a good employer here. And that's all, mom, and thank you and God bless. Bye.